To my young India, today in this video I am going to comment on the another essential element of Panchabhuthas, and that is earth. Our modern education taught us the earth as a celestial body or one among the 9 planets. Now the advanced education constrained it to 8 planets, in which revolves around the sun, and it possesses the gravitational force, the moon as its natural satellite. And for this grand information, many foreign scientists took the credit of this discovery. But dear champs, in this whole world, only our India and our Indians are those whose works speaks, but they never went behind the fake fames, because our India was the first which brought this fact to the world 1500 years ago, but still our brains are charged as Galileo, the first scientist who discovered this fact. But it was our Indian, the great mathematician and astronomer Aryabhatta, who simplified the great mysteries of our earth prior. He even explained the occurrence of lunar and solar eclipse and the format of day and night with the accurate calculation of count of days in a year with leap year. And he was the first Indian who estimated the earth's circumferences, which nearly matched to the present calculation. So guys, this is one of the greatness among many of our ancient India. And when we move to our ancient values, our ancients never considered the earth as just a matter of celestial bodies. Instead, they considered as Ma. Hence, in India, we say earth as Bhumata, because our ancients believed that only mother possesses such a great quality of never-ending patience of bearing their children with love and never gets irritated on their children's mischievous acts. In the same way, my dear champs, you can find these similar qualities even in our Bhudevi. She has that power of never-ending patience of bearing this whole creation on her, and with her love of gravitation force, she never lets us go away from her in spite of many sufferings and pains done by mankind on her in the form of cultivation, earth mine drilling, in spite of encroaching all her useful minerals only for our mean sake and weakening her, but still she is not giving up her courage and revolving restlessly for us to give sunshine and cool moon breeze. And champs, not only earth, our Purvaj even treated our nation also with these great qualities, and hence they named with Bharatma. And the love, passion which they showered on our nation was uncomparable with the whole world. Our nation not only treated the motherland as mother, they even prayed her as a goddess. Before every construction or beginning of cultivation, they used to follow the rituals of praying Bhumata. And still we can find these rituals in many places of our country. And even champs, our ancient always treated our Bharat as Patitapavan Bhumi, because this was the land which got the privilege with the Padsparsh of Sri Ram, who was the Maryada Purushottam to our great nation. And champs, this is a land of Mahapavitra Jyotirlingas of Mahadev, and our ancients made the sthapanas of these Pavitra Lingas in each and every corner of our nation to make our nation more Mahimapurva. Apart from these, dear champs, never forget that our Bhumi, not only a land of spiritual, but also a land of great warriors, land of great sacrifices, land of many revolutionaries and freedom fighters, whose memories are still treasured with our Bharat Ma. In the love which she showered on our ancients, the same affection still our Bharat Ma have on us, and it is never ending. Hence, dude, apart from your happiness and joyness, try to extend your love, time, and thoughts for your nation, your land on which you took birth, you played, cried, enjoyed. Try to maintain our land in a clean and hygienic way, at least near your surroundings. Try to stop those mean people who are exploiting the earth in the form of encroaching more and more resources and minerals more than necessary. Because champs, it's your time. Prove yourself in the eyes of our Bharat Ma. Because champs, this is even your land, and this is your responsibility to protect her for your future and for your future generations. And at last, with great thought process of our ancients, always and always, champs, remember, love your nation's culture and respect other religions and their culture, because that is the quality of a true Indian. And with utmost pride to my motherland, Hey Bharat Ma, Vande Mataram. Thank you all.